Hey guys, Blitz back with another video. This week, we are gonna make lots and lots. We're gonna try and make lots and lots of videos. This week we are in spring break from school, so we are taking a vacation in Florida, Panama City in Florida. So this Lego set is the Marvel Studios The Infinity Saga. If you haven't seen Endgame already, you should definitely check it out. So no further ado, let's just get into it. I've already done a little bit of it, as you can see over here. We have Thanos, Broken Avengers symbol, Iron Man, Scarlet Witch, Captain America. We have this little turret thing. You can shoot it. I'll give you a demonstration. Press that button. It shoots over there. Get this thing. Cock it back. Press this button. Shoot. You can rotate it up and down. So let's keep on building. Oh, and I've been working on this thing right here. It's like a little prison. And here's Iron Man's gauntlet, the prison, or you can go up and down. And right now, I'm about to build Thor. So you guys can just watch me and I'll take you through it. Oh, we're gonna do some beach videos. We're gonna try and do some beach videos. I'm super sorry for not uploading in 2 months. I try and get better about it. Okay guys, since it's taking me a really long time just to find the pieces, we're not gonna really show me building, but when we're done, I'll show you it. So Blitz out for now.